Amish, which strategy you recommend for Google GDN and Google Search e-commerce website selling LED TV? Smart shopping will work wonderfully well, and what you do is you start off with a shopping campaign first of all, get it running, get that conversion data in, and then go to automated bidding and let Google work out the conversions for you at your target CPA. And with I believe you will have other products as well, because you will have a range of LED TVs and not just one. So your bidding will be on the target ROAS. Then you can also set up dynamic retargeting or remarketing. So if somebody has viewed a particular TV and they did not buy, then you can follow them up with those ads. One of my favorite ways to remarket and also to target cold audiences is through video ads. Very few people are doing this, and you will get a lot of traffic as well as hopefully good conversions from video ads, because you can explain, you can build up that trust by shooting a little video with your smartphone and running it as a video ad.